Hi everyone, this is Justine from Just Plans. In today's video, I'm going to be memory planning the week of July 13th to the 19th with this stunning kit by Pandabird Design, which I've been hoarding for quite a while. It's a nice stay-at-home, work-from-home type of kit and really pretty with light gold foil. So here are the full boxes and some half boxes. This is the functional page with, of course, the scallops and these really pretty scripts. Jess actually told me that she will likely be coming out with custom scripts, so I'm so excited for that. And then this last page is the bottom washi, headers, and date covers. So if you want to see me plan with this kit, then please keep watching. Okay, I'm gonna work on the base of the spread and I'm gonna start by whiting out all this ugly trash that's on the page of the planner, and I personally cannot wait to get a new planner for next year where I don't have to white out all of this. Like, come on, what a waste. But anyway, I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched my first plan with me. Thank you for all the positive feedback. I was honestly like overwhelmed by how nice people were and how much people liked it and actually like watched the whole thing and listened to me ramble. Like I don't that's awesome, and I'm really happy that you guys stuck around and that I'm really happy that you liked the video. And I feel pretty encouraged to continue making more. I will say that one person who disliked my video and also my other videos, I have one dislike. And like, come on, whoever you are, you know who you are. I just want to say that I understand. I understand, girl or boy or whoever you are. I get it. Life is fucking hard. Your life might not be going the way that you want it to be, and you might not be as content as you thought you would be or want to be, and you feel like you want to project that feeling of unhappiness onto someone else. And I understand that, like, you know, it's easy to do that on the internet where it's anonymous, but I fucking get it. I get it. Life sucks. If you want to talk, if you want a friend, please feel free to message me. I'm down to talk. Anyway, I am placing down the full boxes now, and you will see in this kit that like that middle box is so aggressively bold. I don't know why. I feel like the rest of the kit is so delicate and pretty and airy, and I just didn't want to use that box, so I'm just pulling in this leftover box from a GP Studio kit. And if you see, like, I like made this sticker book by myself with like leftover sticker paper and like a binding punch and coil, and it's literal trash, but it was free, so I'm fine with it for now. So other than that one full box and the foil headers, which are overlay tapes from Rose Colored Days, everything else so far has been from the kit. You'll see again here that I'm not going to finish filling out my sidebar because I do like to put photos in there off camera. So yep, just showed you my glass of wine. Oh, and I also wanted to say that I thought it was so hilarious, like how many people commented and said that they appreciated my singing, like both in my haul, which is the first video I uploaded, and then my first plan with me. Like, that's not something that I ever thought I would ever put on the internet, but you guys seem to like it, so I'm down to like continue doing that. Like, that honestly is my real personality at home. Like, I will just sing random shit, like either like real songs or you know, anything that I'm doing, or like I have this song that I sing to my puppy every time I wake him up in the morning and like shit like that. If anyone watches How I Met Your Mother, and if you honestly, like, if you don't watch How I Met Your Mother, I like, what do you even watch? That is one of my favorite shows of all time. But yeah, so if you don't watch How I Met Your Mother, please watch it. It's a bomb ass show. Please don't judge it for the ending. The last season and like the last episode is just trash, and you might have even like if you ever like stumble upon a list on the internet about like worst show endings ever, How I Met Your Mother is definitely on that list because it was just a shitty ass ending. But it's such a good show. Please, please watch that show. If you haven't seen it, please watch it. Let me know what you think. But basically, like, the point of me saying all that was that like Marshall, one of the main characters on the show, who's played by Jason Segel, he that's something that he does, is like sings about just random shit that he's doing, like doing the laundry or things like that. Like, it was even a big part of one of the episodes, and that is totally me. Yeah, that was a long-winded explanation for me appreciating the people who appreciated my singing, but yeah, thank you. Anyway, okay, so as far as the rest of the video goes, I don't know, like, I feel like I'm kind of like, I missed most of Monday or all of Monday, so I don't know if I can just jump on into the stickers. But basically, if you were on Instagram yesterday, I did post up some like polls or questions about like what you guys want to see, like as far as video length or haul length or how frequent the hauls are, and content of plan with me's and shit like that. And basically, like, Kristen Planning Kalo messaged me, and she basically said like, who the fuck cares? In like the nicest way possible, like, you do you, boo. And she's totally right. Like, I would love if you loved the content of my videos, but at the end of the day, this, is just something that's fun for me, and I want to do and make content that I like, or like, I want it to be a process that is fun for me. And if you don't like it, then please keep moving, and if you do like it, I appreciate you, and let's be friends. The results of those poll questions were actually pretty interesting, because like, I got 80 plus responses to each of those questions, and all of the like planner related ones were basically split 50-50. Like, it was pretty like spot on. And the only question that had like a lopsided winner was babies versus fur babies, and overwhelmingly the answer was fur babies. And I have to say that I cannot agree more. I fucking love my dog, my puppy. He's the love of my life. And yeah, I also asked for some questions, some Q&A questions, and I figure I will just answer those now. So let's see. I think I'll start off. I got a lot of questions about my planning history. I got questions from Tay of Shantae Plans, Tiff's Planet, Connie from Coco Plans, T from Rose and Tea Shop, Jen from Home Units Plans, and also Amanda Yu, all about like what got me into planning and all that stuff. So I figured I would just lump all of those questions into one answer. So yeah, I think like most people, I would say I started off with functional planning, like even in elementary school and like all through high school. They would give you a planner and you'd write down all your assignments. But definitely for me, I also turned it into a creative outlet where I'd write down like song lyrics that I loved, or like the boy I had a crush on, and like I'd doodle in it and all that stuff. And then I got into bullet journaling. I would say, I forget what year, but like maybe like 2015 or 14 or 13 or something like that. And I had originally got into bullet journaling for work. My coworker Brandon and I got into bullet journaling at the same time, so that we can kind of keep track of all the work tasks that we had to do. At the time, work was very much my identity at that point in my life, which, like, looking back is like so gross. And yeah, I was in a bullet journal for like my personal functional planning for like 4 or 5 years or something, and I really liked it. It eventually morphed into like what you see from bullet journal YouTubers now, like Amanda Rachel Lee. Like, I was definitely obsessed with her for quite a while. But anyway, yeah, my roommate at the time, Amanda, and I would like bullet journal together all the time. And eventually we both got bored of it because it's just so much fucking work. Like, I don't have the patience or the energy to be like drawing boxes every fucking week, so that I can then fill it with tasks that I need to accomplish. Like, no, thank you. We both fell off of bullet journaling, and then she showed me that she had Happy Planner sticker books. And I was like, what the fuck is this? And then so that same day we ran to Michael's and I picked up a classic Happy Planner, and that's basically what got me into decorative planning. Like, that's what exposed me to the planning community, like on YouTube. And I would just watch, I remember Amanda and I were just obsessed with planning. And we would just go to work and we'd come home from work and jump on what we called the couch, which is basically this couch we got from IKEA that pulls out into a queen size bed, and we left it as a bed in the back of our living room, and we called it the couch because it's a bed couch. But yeah, we were just obsessed. We would turn on YouTube, we would turn on Planning Peep and Mini Dreams and just plan. And that was our life. And we loved it. It was so much fun. And just from there, I just, found more and more YouTubers that I found inspiring, like Lauren of Plan Much Plan and Nicole of 20 Something Planner. I feel like those two people really influenced my planning style. And yeah, I mean, from there, I kind of got sucked into the whole Simply Gilded washi thing, where oh my fucking god, I have so much Simply Gilded washi that I will never ever fucking use. If anyone wants bright washi with red foil bows, please let me know, because I'm never gonna use it. But yeah, and then of course Etsy sticker shops and all that jazz. So yep, here we are now. I have a YouTube channel and an Instagram, and it's been super super fun. I've really enjoyed it. So, but this is my decorative memory planner. I do have a functional planner that I just use pen in only, and that's to keep track of my life. I was in a plum paper planner last year, but this year I just decided to go the cheap route and just get a regular blue sky planner from Target, and it's working pretty well, and I really like it. So yep, that's my planning history. Thank you to everyone who asked me a question about that. I appreciate it. So it looks like I'm on to Saturday, so I think what I'll do is save the rest of the questions for future videos and then start talking to you about the stickers. So on Thursday, I just have a label that I made, and put a glass sticker from Paper Blush Bar to mark a meeting that I had that day. Then the Pandabird Design scalp is actually from the kit to mark down that I had 5 meetings on Thursday. Thursdays are definitely a huge meeting day for me. Then there is this teardrop arrow kind of bow thing from the kit, and then you'll see soon that I put a whisk from Planning Roses to mark what I made for dinner that night. Then below that, oh my god, I love these puppy stickers from Honey Inked. They are so freaking adorable. I love them. I wish she would offer them on white paper because that's just how I prefer my icons, but I just thought this little puppy pup was just so adorable. I couldn't not get these stickers. So anyway, I used that to mark that I bought a new water bowl for my puppy. I kind of feel bad because up until, so he's over a year old, and up until this point he's been drinking from this little tiny ass bowl, and so I finally got him a bowl that's big enough for his size, and I kind of feel bad that it took me this long to do that. And then at the bottom of the day, I just used a quarter box from Sadie's Stickers to mark that I painted my nails. Then on to Friday, I used that corner scallop to mark that I worked late. Then that phone is from White Deer Stationery, and I put a little side bow from the Giving Girl. Then I used a flag from Clever Gal Crafts. I think that's the Morning Haze colorway. Then I used a TV icon from Paper Blush Bar. Then that half box is from the kit, and then a little like tag from Paper Blush Bar as well to kind of mark that I did a lot of sticker shopping. Saturday there is a, you can't see it right now, but when I move up you will see that there is a teacup from White Deer Stationery with a Giving Girl bow to mark some me time that I had in the morning. I've been really loving like waking up really early, like before my man and my puppy wake up, and just having that time to myself. Like have some coffee, relax, do some yoga, meditation, and just like enjoy my time alone, because I don't, especially with like a puppy, like you really don't get that much time to yourself. So I really appreciate that. Then below that, that nap time sticker is from Planting Roses. I fucking love that sticker. Then below that, just a scallop from the kit, and then a flourish from Honey Inked. Then at the end of the night, I did bake some really, really good cookies. They were chocolate chip, walnut, and pecan, and I used some measuring spoons from Rose and Tea Shop, and then a layering hexagon from Sadie's Stickers. Okay, yay, I'm all caught up. Okay, let's see. On Saturday, the first thing I marked is don't make fun of me, but Ghastly Community Day. If you play Pokemon Go, you know what I'm talking about. Again, please don't make fun of me. I mostly play it with my man to spend time with him instead of getting mad. And then Sunday was also National Ice Cream Day, and my apartment, they got us a free ice cream truck, which was awesome. My man and I went to an open house. We're not planning to get a house anytime soon, but we do want to start looking. Then we went to visit my family because it was my Kuya, my older brother's birthday on Monday, and I wanted to see him, and then ended the night with some YouTube. That's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.